Nowadays, you can certainly buy your pineapples at the grocery store all cut up and ready to go. But I'm going to tell you, buying a fresh whole pineapple is not only going to taste better, it's going to save you some money as well. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to cut a pineapple. First thing you're going to do is lie the pineapple down on its side, and using a nice sharp knife, you want to cut off the top and the bottom of the pineapple. Then stand the pineapple up, and you're going to slice it straight down the center, creating 2 equal halves. Now every pineapple has a core running right down the center, and it's too tough to eat, so it needs to be removed. You're going to see that the fibers of the core run in the opposite direction of the rest of the pineapple. So all you need to do is take the edge of your knife and line it up with the edge of the core and slice down and inward. Then you're going to slice each half of the pineapple in half, and then take each quarter and slice it right down the center till you get to the skin. Then rotate that quarter and make 1/2-inch slices all the way down. Then for the last step, you're just going to take the edge of your knife and run it right between the flesh of the pineapple and the skin to loosen up all the pieces. Now this is going to leave you with the perfect little bite-sized pieces of pineapple that you can either serve as is in a little pineapple boat, or slide them right out and pop them in a bowl.